So I was wondering, what is a kit car? Hello, Chat GTP. What is a kit car?
A kit car is essentially a vehicle that comes as a set of parts to be assembled by the buyer, allowing individuals to create and customize a car on their own, often without specialized training. Typically, the kit includes the chassis, body, and essential parts, while the builder sources some components, like the engine, transmission, and wheels, from other vehicles or suppliers. Kit cars offer the freedom to build a car suited to one's tastes, from aesthetics and performance to cost considerations. Different types of kit cars: replica or tribute cars. These are designed to resemble classic or iconic cars like the Shelby Cobra, Ford GT40, or Porsche 356, often with modern components for better reliability and drivability. Builders who love the look and feel of a vintage car but prefer updated technology might choose a replica. 7-style and lightweight roadsters. Inspired by the Lotus 7, these cars are minimalistic, open-top, and extremely light, often emphasizing a raw driving experience. There are numerous companies who produce 7-style kits, which offer great handling and acceleration. Track-focused and race-ready cars. These are designed for performance, built with racing in mind, featuring lightweight construction, roll cages, and tuned engines. Many builders use them for hill climbs, autocross, or track days, prioritizing aerodynamics and handling over road comforts. Exoskeleton or open-framed cars, made popular by kits like the MEV Exoset. Exoskeleton cars strip down to the essentials, with a visible frame and exposed components. They offer an open, futuristic look and prioritize weight reduction, often making use of Miata MX-5 running gear for affordability and simplicity. Sports and supercar kits. These kits aim to deliver supercar looks and performance without the high-end price tag.
May I interrupt you for a moment? Can I ask a question about the people who produce fiberglass body shells? You know, people like Gary Janes over at Formosa 120 GR. Gary creates homage body shells of vintage sports cars, and then either builds them on a custom basis or sells just the fiberglass shell, letting the buyer adapt the shell to an existing, sometimes older, sports car. Are these considered kit cars too?
Yes, these fiberglass body shells are often considered a subset of kit cars and are typically referred to as body conversion kits or rebody kits. These kits allow builders to take the chassis and mechanical parts of an existing car, often a sports car with a similar wheelbase, and replace its exterior with a new fiberglass body. It's a creative, cost-effective way to achieve the look of a rare or classic vehicle, like a Ferrari or an AC Cobra, by using an available donor car. Here are a few specifics that make these body shell conversions unique within the kit car community. Donor compatibility. The shell is often designed to fit popular sports cars like the Mazda MX-5, Porsche Boxster, or a vintage VW Beetle, which allows builders to achieve the desired look without extensive customization. Classic car emulation. Many of these shells pay homage to iconic sports cars, recreating classic aesthetics with modern parts for better reliability and ease of maintenance.
This is not the voice of Gary Janes, but these are his words.
Thank you for the message, Jim. I really appreciate your interest in our work. I know I'm a nightmare to communicate with as I am so tied up with work and family. I tend to ignore my website and other online stuff. Recently, I have been actively creating some short video reels for Facebook, and I'm aware I need to promote more. I'm trying to change the business direction slightly, less builds in-house and more body supply and sales, etc. I have 2 new versions coming out in the next 12 months, both similar to what I'm already doing. I want to push the 7 concept a bit more too. I think it's a great donor for these, and surprised more haven't done it. I'll gather up some photos and stuff and send you some info.